The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall. I am here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, in this video, I'm going to present to you 3 videos that shows some shocking things that happened within the country of Jamaica. And I'm going to start off with one of these videos right about now. Now, the first video that I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show when a car hit a motorcyclist off his motorcycle. Now, this video shows some things that happened that some persons on social media consider it to be using the road recklessly or recklessness. And I would like to say to each and every motorist out there to use the road wisely and be careful when you're on the road and try and protect each other, alright? Now, this video is not really a long video and I'm going to present this video to you right about now. But before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised, alright? Now here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe. Be careful when you're on the road. Be careful when you're on the road. See me? Protect yourself. Protect each other. You understand? And if you're a motorcyclist, wear your helmet. Wear your protective gears. You see? Alright, move on to another video now. Now the next video that I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show when a police officer pepper sprayed a person. On social media, it is said that the police was arresting a person, and it is also said that one of the police officers pepper sprayed a female. You see me? Now, viewers and subscribers, we're going to take a look at this video and see if we can get a better understanding as to what had happened, because this video is being talked about on social media. Some persons are saying that the police officers was wrong. Some persons are saying that the police officers was just doing their jobs. You see me? And you know, to me, this is like something that happens when it comes down to police versus civilians. You see me? You have some persons who agree with what the police officers did and some persons just don't agree with what police officers did. You see me? So let's take a look at this video, and before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised, alright? Now here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
You pepper sprayed woman! Hey, go on, my boy, go on! What's him? Yeah! Madam Pussy! Madam Pussy!
That's so nice, bomb o'clock, that's here.
My son! Hey! This is up on social media! Murder!
Murder!
Murder! Murder!
Murder! Murder!
I'm murder!
Viewers and subscribers, it seems as if more than one person's got pepper sprayed. You understand? According to some of the things that I saw in this video, it seems as if more than one person's got pepper sprayed. Alright, so I'm going to move on to the other video right about now, you see? Now the next video that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, might give you a better understanding as to what had happened during a multi-vehicle collision that happened on Trafalgar Road, that is within the parish that is known as St. Andrew, that is within the country that is known as Jamaica. According to reports, it is said that this incident happened on the 22nd of September 2020. And according to reports, it is said that utility wires on utility poles caught fire. You understand? Now, I'm going to present this video to you right about now, but before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised, alright? Now here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
Watch out.
Dropping on the road there, so, on the sidewalk, you know.
Bust the transformer.
Police have a free up the road there, so. What the fuck? We try to move it. Somebody in the office cut off the vehicle from up, sir. Huh? Everybody are panic. What am I panic for? What am I panic for? I'm not start them time and go through.
And the taxi man him still a force to go through.
Yeah, then shall I go shall I stop the vehicle from long time? That's a man, they ain't going on this stuff. I'll film him going to film. Yeah, man. I don't know where you going, that's a going though. I just said picking up people are so damn stubborn. But KPS down the road there, so.
Them should have been first respondents from the scenes and the...
But now you know them get called. Somebody must pass down there and
police
tell.
must call them Danvers. A police are the first respondents from the scene.
So I must send the bus.
Must send it back so make everybody take the other road. Nobody can come that side again. From
Alright, so there you have it, viewers and subscribers. You don't know me, Dancehall Skilla. I'm only there so to keep you up to date and posted, let you know what's going on. You see me? I know that this incident that happened on Trafalgar Road took some time before I present a video to you about it. But however, if I do not have proper information about the incident, I will leave it alone. You see what I say? And that's just me, Dancehall Skilla. You see me? But anyways, you can let me know what you think about the videos that I just presented to you. Alright, I present these videos to you because they're out on social media. They're being talked about on social media. And you don't know how me do my thing already. Alright, so until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Do big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla.